Hello, coucou mes loulous, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. Quant à moi, je vais super bien. Merci d'être là une fois encore. Hello guys, how are you guys doing? As for me, I thank God I am doing great now. So quickly, I want to share this my Gari photo recipe with you, how I do it right here. So without further ado, guys, let me show you all the ingredients that I have here. I have my where am I gonna start? Yep, I have my onion, sliced onion. I have orange bell pepper, green bell pepper. I have my chopped garlic, chicken bouillon, salt. I have a green black pepper. I have one green habanero pepper, diced tomato, and I have the gari here. That's my gari. I have 4 large egg and some oil, of course. Get started. So to my hot pot, I'm adding some oil, and I'll be adding the sliced onion. I will let it fry for about 1 minute, and I will be adding the chopped garlic, the green bell pepper, my orange bell pepper, and I will stir them together and let them fry for about 2 minutes until they kind of get soft. And back here, I will be adding my chicken bouillon, my salt, and of course I'll stir them together and let them absorb the flavor there. And after that, guys, I will be adding my green habanero that I grounded. Yep, it's a mixture of green habanero, salt, and oil and onion. So now I'm adding the actual egg. So I will add my green black pepper. That's the black pepper, and mix them together and let it fry about 1 minute after stir them. And while the thing is frying them, the egg is frying, I'll wet my gari, mix them well, mix the gari well back to the egg. Yeah, stir it well, and after that I will add my diced tomato, and without waiting, I'll be adding my white gari. So guys, make sure you mix the gari well. You don't have those crumbs that I have there. I was on a hurry, guys, because I have an appointment. So yeah, guys, if you have your lemonade, that's it, you are ready to go. Wash it off with the lemonade, some cool lemonade. Oh my god, it was so good. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget, if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe, share, and like this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you. Love you. Bye bye.